Can AI replace appointment setters? The answer is yes, but it's a little bit complicated. So let me actually cover this answer in this video. It's actually an interesting one. So let's first start with this question. Why would you even want AI to be your appointment setter? Now, this is a good question, right? Most people would probably say, it will save me time, it will do this, it will do that. But essentially, there are a couple of key things why you think AI would be a good appointment setter. And you're probably true at most of these things. So obviously, the first thing is not needing to interview, train, or hire and manage people because, again, that's a headache, right? A lot of people will go, they will train, they will hire, manage people. And again, some people will fail at being, a good appointment setter. Second thing is reducing friction. So you're automating, you're organizing, and you're structuring AI instead of people. And with that, you can also have increased volume because you can manage thousands of different messages a day with just a few AI agents. Also, it's fast, it's efficient, it's painless, and everything is structured in one platform. Now, when I say everything is structured in one platform, I'm using a specific platform for my business to manage these appointment setters, okay? Not the appointment setters people, but appointment setters AI or AI agents in this case. And this is the platform that I'm using. It's called Appointwise. I will show you an overview of this platform. We do have a link in the description if you want to try it out for 14 days. But essentially, this platform is really cool because a lot of businesses are using it already. And it can integrate with one platform, which is called Go High Level. And that platform can then manage WhatsApp messages that are incoming, Instagram messages, SMS messages, and Facebook Messenger messages every single day. And keep in mind, these are thousands of different messages every single day, and you have everything in one platform. So this is how a platform looks like. This is essentially how you're editing a strategy. A strategy is an AI agent that is within Appointwise. So an AI agent is essentially called a strategy, and this is where you can prompt your AI agents. Now, this is also one cool way. Not only it reduces friction, but AI appointment setter can be prompted to act a certain way that you wouldn't really be able to, create in like people, in humans. So you can go here and you can pretty much, adjust the objection handling, qualification, priority, creativity. You can create a prompt. You can create a strategy name. By the way, you have a Go High Level tag. For those of you that are not familiar with Go High Level, go watch some of our other videos. But Go High Level tag means that you can tag a person, a contact, a lead, potential lead. For example, let's say a tag is sales. Whenever we add a sales tag, or in this case, it's called inbound, whenever we add that tag, the AI agent from Appointwise will go in and immediately start drilling that lead, okay? It will immediately go and it will immediately start selling to that lead. Obviously, the better the sales process, or the better the prompt, the better the sales process is. So you can go through instructions, conversation. You can also add qualification questions here, follow-ups. You can also do the configuration. So you can allow the AI to send multiple messages at once. You can also add AI to act as human, to have some typos, which is really cool. You can also do the knowledge base. So the knowledge base comes for your company information from your website or from your documents. And then you also have tasks that you can do after the appointment is booked. So you can automate this even further, just like you would do in NA10, for example. But this is much more simpler, and it's basically, beginner friendly. So anyone that goes in can create their own AI appointment setter. So in this case, yes, definitely you can replace appointment setter, your current appointment setter with AI. Now, whether or not you will replace it, it's up to you, right? I'm just here to give you some facts and actual data to back up what people are already doing. So businesses are already using this type of softwares to basically go out there and dominate the competition because, with just a few AI agents, you can manage 1,000 different messages a day. And, you would probably need hundreds of different people working every single day to be able to do that. And now, don't get me wrong, you don't have to fire your AI or your appointment setter. human appointment setter, you can actually let him manage the appointment setters for you. So that's something that is also great. Again, you don't have to just fire him. You can go and you can pretty much build an appointment setter business or appointment setter system in Appointwise with your appointment setter. So again, hopefully you kind of enjoyed this video. If you have any comments specifically for Appointwise, comment below. Watch some of our other videos on Appointwise because they're really great videos, in depth, in detail. And yeah, if you have any specific questions, again, comment and we'll see you in the next one.